Hey there, this is Gabriela with another video. Okay, let's talk something. Let's talk about the spin area. Okay, some people ask me about how they can do it manually, or if Money Robot do it for them, and especially for another language except English, a lot of people doesn't like how they spin it. Okay. I use it for Spanish. I use it with no problem at all. I don't really do anything. I use the article creator from Money Robot and also the spin area from Money Robot. But I definitely depend on what you want to do or how you want to do. Okay, in this case, let's open a new campaign. When you add the keywords on the keyword area box, after that you create the article. Some people would like to do it with their own content, and in that moment is when you can do it like this. I use it in two different ways. Let's do this one. Let's put this one already create for me. For some type of client, I definitely use new content. I order content for one area. Okay, for another one, no. It depends what exactly and how is your client, or is your own affiliate websites. It will depend. You have two ways to do it. In this case, you can add it here and then spin article. Click on it here, and automatically it's gonna do it for you. Okay, go ahead. Let's see the preview ones. Spin. Okay, the other way I do it, and especially with this client, I use this website, this software. I love it, definitely. I always love it. And in this case, I just put here, rewrite a single, and add it here, and then rewrite it. And it's gonna give me so many also options with your article. You can use the spoon one. You can take another one. That's one of the way. The other part is you can do it adding plumbers, roofing repair, and just click on here to create with the Money Robot article creator. I really like it, especially if I'm doing tier 2. I use it, like I told you, it will depend on the client or the website. I hope this helped you. Please let me know if you have any question. I'll go to try to get my time to do it, to answer you. Okay, until next time.